So this is a design here. So this is my top that I already have. And I want to add these bell sleeves and use the elastic around here, and then the cap sleeve of the top can maybe fit over it. Or you can put it at your elbow if you want, just depends on your idea. And just a gypsy skirt type of thing. And then this is a cloak, and I might do a cloak later on, but I'll see, with maybe some sort of Celtic design. I haven't really worked out what that's going to be yet. And maybe a velvet might be nice if I can find something like that, because these items, the top and the skirt, are in cotton material. So looking forward to this and see what it's like. So I'm in the kitchen right now because I need the table to cut out the fabric, obviously, right? So this is our metre long fabric. I'm going to have to fold it in half, if I can fold it, right? Fold it in half and then cut it so that this is for, you know, you've got your two sleeves, right? So when, I'm not cutting it just now because I reckon we need a cup of tea. All this work, right? So say, just having a look at this roughly, see if I can get it. Right, say that's it, right? Fold it in half. And this is going to be the length of our arm. And it's good and long. It's past my knee, and I'm just over 5 foot. So if you want it longer for yourself, just buy more fabric. I think that'll be long enough for me. So this part here then will be curved, like I say, and we'll put some elastic. This will be cut straight, so we'll put elastic around here. So I hope that makes sense. So right now I need a cup of tea. Just need tea right now. Oh, I can't wait. I forgot to mention, I'm going to have to clear the table in order to put the cloth on. Probably already said that. Anyway, tea time. Having a well-earned cup of tea right now. Just a sneaky little cuppa. We all need one now and again.